This is Toradora Volume 3. Yukio Takemiya. Sink or swim. It's a swimming season, but it's a hopefully lengthy shelter when the one spat between Titan and Amazon is going to challenge in old while swimming contest at the present. Ryuju for the summer. The hit anime selling best-selling manga, light novel, teen 1399. I think 200-300 का ही है. So I think it's opposite. It's supposed to be start from that side, but I think it's from an English version. So I think they're gonna go on a date with somebody. Oh, it is not a manga. It's like a story. So it's like a light novel kind of a thing. And somewhere 1 or 2 images in between. There was one. Then there is this. Did I miss any images? So yeah, good. Link in the description. Let's go for the next one.